Okay, let's settle a big debate. AI builders versus the classics. Which one should you actually use?
I mean, with AI that builds apps from a prompt, do you even need Shopify or WordPress anymore? Let's dig in. Think of it this way. You've got your specialist and you've got your generalist, which is the AI. And it really is all about picking the right tool for the specific job you have to do. So, scenario one, your boss says launch an online store and do it like yesterday. What's your move? Easy. You hire the specialist, Shopify. It's got everything you need for e-commerce right out of the box. And this is why. Look at all the time you save. With an AI builder, you'd have to code all this yourself. Okay, new job. This time, you're all about content, building a brand, and climbing those Google rankings. For this, WordPress is the absolute pro. It's literally designed for amazing content and SEO. But what if your idea is totally unique? Not a store, not a blog. You need something custom built. Now this is where the AI Builder shines. It's your flexible toolkit for complex, one-of-a-kind projects. And the real magic? You get a powerful custom backend without managing a single server. We're talking days, not months.
But here's the thing. It's not about choosing one or the other. The real power move is using them together.
You can absolutely get the best of both worlds. Use WordPress for your blog, but an AI builder for your app. This all points to a new way of thinking. You need to see AI as your new creative partner. Let's just be super clear about this. AI is not here to replace people. It's a partner that handles the tedious technical tasks so you can focus on the bigger picture. You can use it for ideas, first drafts, or workflows. You're still the director, you're just moving a whole lot faster. This really sums it all up. AI handles the technical work, which makes human creativity and strategy even more valuable. So the real question isn't which tool to use. It's now that AI can handle the grunt work, what will you build?